Well, it's a nice day today. We're going to go down here and put the molding back on the Rambler. Grip rail molding. Started working on it already because the batteries in this camera were dead. I had to go get some new batteries, but the ones I put in there were new, but they were junk. Here's what I got done so far. It's on there, halfway. I want to show you the right way to install this, I guess. Hopefully it's the right way. The car all painted. Took me long enough. Okay, how's that look? So what you want to do is you want to start, you want to get the top edge on the lip first, and then reach around, apply pressure on it, push as hard as you can to get the bottom lip to snap in. So I'm right about here now on it. Better turn the radio down because I get copyrighted again. Alright, let's start it up again. Push down on here, hard as you can. There we go. It's not too bad. A lot easier and a lot faster to get it on and get it off. But I didn't put any more dents in here than what was on here originally when I got the car. So that's positive. Looks pretty nice. So that's about it. That's where we're at. I can do the other side. And I'll you kind of get the idea how to do it. I don't think I'm going to do the other side now. But yeah, it goes on pretty nice. Alright, that's all I got for you today.